So, this is another video of Epic Man Awesome. This video is about the weird sounds the mobs make. Let's first check the chickens. Now, let's check what they sound like when they're on fire. There's still a few left. And that also makes you cooked chicken. So if you're ever in the wild and you have flint and steel and you need food, you can always just go burn a chicken or a cow. They work on both. Now, let's test it on piggies. That's what they sound as regularly. Oh yeah, if you light these on fire, you can get the cooked bacon. Or pork chops, as they call it in this game. That sounds really strange. Apparently they're not all dead. Maybe they want a serving of Ziacs. They sound even strange. Ooh, the Blackie Piggy. Now, let's try the sheep. Now let's hear what they sound like when they're burnt. They should all be dead. Now, let's wait for this fire to subdue. Now, let's do the cowies. They go moo. For some reason, I think these almost sound like bulls, too. It's really strange. And as per ritual, let's hear on fire. Man, they sound a lot louder. It's almost like I'm the god of all these thingies, and I'm like gonna like totally destroy them, because that's totally true. You no going anywhere, buddy. You either. Now, once again, one or more is left. Whee! Now, we'll try a real mob. Like a cave spider, a witch, which is new to all of us. Not a bat, but a skeleton. And a zombie. Since we all know what zombies are, apparently they aren't coming out very friendly, and neither are the witches. So let's try the cave spider. That's probably why. Now for the spiders. These things can get a little dangerous, so it's always nice to keep a few of them. These things sound very strange. They leave string, and sometimes even their own eyeballs. It's really strange when they do. Because it's not really possible to find somebody's eyeball just lying on the floor. Now I'm pretty sure the witches will work. They don't seem to do much. Except for, well, they all look like villagers for the most part. But let's hear their cry. Whoa. They don't say anything. That's strange. And apparently they're not dying either. Not one of them has died yet. Man, these people are almost like bombs. Almost like creepers. A little better. Watch, they'll be the new creeper stuff. These things don't die easily. Let's cover these till they actually start hurting us. Look, they get a slowness and poison. But since I'm in creative mode, it doesn't really harm me. I can go as fast as I want. They were dying a lot quicker when the fire was on. And the best part is watching them die. So let's do that instead. It's surprising. Not one of them has died yet. Because of that, now, let's see. Oh, that's the wrong egg. How the spiders react. Or even the skeletons. This is strange. Now let's even turn it on. Whoa, the new update, it even shows that they can hold things. And that was another epic video of Epic Man Awesome.